Sleepless screens stress skin. Ever notice your skin looks dull after a late night of scrolling or binge-watching? That's no coincidence. Your skin has its own circadian rhythm. At night, it enters repair mode, restoring barrier strength and fixing damage from the day. But when sleep is cut short, this repair cycle gets disrupted. The result? Slower healing, higher water loss, and a tired-looking complexion. Blue light exposure from screens adds to the problem. It can trigger oxidative stress, leading to premature signs of aging. Even stress hormones spike with poor sleep. This can weaken the skin barrier and make conditions like sensitivity or breakouts worse. That's why dermatologists stress the importance of both rest and correct timing for topicals, so skin can work with its natural rhythm, not against it. At Cymbiotics, science guides every formulation. Understanding skin's rhythm helps us design delivery systems that work in harmony with you. Always apply topicals as advised by your dermatologist.